So these are the Tozo A1s. These are true wireless earbuds from Tozo's. Easy to use. Also, the most economical of all the earbuds that we found on Amazon. So if you ask me what are my favorite sub $20 earbuds on Amazon, I would honestly I'll just honestly tell you, the Tozo A1s. These are super cool, super inexpensive, and very simple to use. Let me go through all the features of them. So the quality of the headphones it's impressive. It's impressive because you would never expect this sound on a $20. Most $20, you'll get a lot of static. You'll get a lot of empty. It sounds like empty, right? It sounds like you're listening to it out of a warehouse. But how the EQ and how the music is being utilized on these IPX, I think this is IPX6 with the Bluetooth 5.0 A1 technology. It works. It works. And not only does it work, it gives you the 6 hours of battery life when you're using them. 32 hours total if you're using these in combination with the case. And you're getting it for, right now, it's $17. So that, to me, is probably the best earbud deal in terms of sub 20 on Amazon. They sound good. They feel good. They look good. They're light. You can lose one and it'll be like just throwing away an extra value meal. So check these out. I really do like the Tozo A1s. They work for me. Your gesture, you double tap the left side to skip to the previous song. You double tap the right side to skip to the next song. You're going to be tap and hold the right side to increase the volume. So I'm increasing the volume by holding. If I hold the left side, it's going to decrease the volume and tap and hold. If I want to do call control, all I got to do is touch either side when I'm getting a phone call. And if I want to use it with the voice assistant, so if you pair this with your Amazon or your Google Assistant, you triple tap it to use your voice assistant. These are really light. It's like how do you describe something that's like light as a feather? It's almost like it makes a really good seal in your ear. So, and the ear tips, and this is something that is different. The ear tips are shorter. So the ear tips it's shorter than on a traditional earbud. So we'll show you, like these are Tozo T6s, right? We have Tozo T6s. I'll show you the bud on the Tozo T6. It's a full bud. Here is on the A1. The A1 is going to have kind of like a half bud. So it's shorter. It's shorter. Do I think that really takes away from the overall seal? I mean, you get a deeper seal with the full size bud, but it still creates a really tight seal around your ear just because it's going in the ear and it's sealing it off with this. It's kind of like a rubber stopper approach versus inserting a huge like a ball into your ear. So easy to use, lightweight, under 20. They sound good. They sound like a $30 to $40 earbud, but they cost you less. It has some of the best features like your expensive earbuds, but they are lighter. So if you're looking for the lightest of the earbuds and you're looking to spend less than 20, I don't know if you can do better than the A1. I'm being honest. I don't know if you can do better. These might be the best ones you can do. Last thing, these are coming with 6mm drivers, which we didn't notice a big difference between that and 8mm drivers you would find in the Tozo T6s. And with that, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye.